India saw its lowest daily COVID-19 cases in 91 days as 42,640 people tested positive in last 24 hours. A total of 1,167 COVID-19 deaths were reported in last 24 hours. Goa had 303 cases from 4,311 tests and 11 deaths. However, as the country and state relaxed restrictions, crowds were witnessed at many places. Experts had warned that if this was not controlled, the third wave could hit as soon as possible in 6 to 8 weeks.
India on Monday administered 86,16,373 coronavirus vaccine doses, which is the highest ever single-day vaccination achieved by any country in the world so far. A total of 28.87 crore vaccine doses have been administered in the country so far. The previous highest single-day vaccination coverage in India was 48 lakh doses, which was administered on April 1st. The Chikalim Sub-District Hospital has begun administering the antibody cocktail to COVID patients, and doctors said the results have been very positive.
Government of Goa, we have procured antibody cocktail, which is the latest treatment for the COVID scenario. Okay, it's basically a very costly drug, and we have got it for free. And this is like now you can say one of the best treatment available for us. But it's basically two drugs, composition of two drugs. They are antibodies, okay, Casirivimab and Imdevimab. Okay, so these two drugs, the criteria is we are giving it for elderly patients who are having comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, or cancer patients, okay, who have received treatment, okay, who are basically immunocompromised and having COVID and coming within the first 5 days of symptoms. Because giving this cocktail beyond 5 or 6, 7 days, the use of the cocktail becomes less. So as soon as they turn positive, we have to give the cocktail. So SGS Chikalim we have started giving the cocktail on 14th, and we have successfully given now for 8 patients. Some of them who had come with fever and cough are not having fever and cough. Their symptoms also have gone within the next 2 days. So basically we take the patient, we do their pulse BP, we do an ECG, we see if the parameters are normal, and then the drug is given over IV around 40 to 40 minutes to 1 hour. Then we keep the patient for observation. Sometimes we keep the patient for an entire day also, but sometimes we admit in the morning and we see up to evening. If everything is okay, we again check all the parameters and we send the patient the same day.
As the SGPDA wholesale fish market opened, people were seen rushing to buy fish.
मडगांवचं एसजीपीडीचं होलसेल फिश मार्केट आज 22 तारखेच्यान सुरू जाला. सुमार 1.5 म्हयनो बंद आशिल्लो. लोकांक हे मार्केट बंद आशिल्ल्या कारणान खूब त्रास जाताले, कित्याक हे गोंयचे अख्खे मेन मार्केट जावन आसा. हांगासल्यान सगळे गोंयभर नुस्तें वता. ह्यो मार्केट सुरू जाल्ल्या कारणान लोकांकूय आतां मातशें बरें जाल्लें की तांकां नुस्तें मेळटलें. आयज हांगा पळोवपाक गेल्यार लोक तितली गर्दी नाशिल्ली, कित्याक पयलो दीस आशिल्लो म्हणून, आनी लोकांनी हांगा गाडयो ज्यो आशिल्ल्यो, हांगा जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा तांणी ह्यो गाडयो सगळ्यो लायनीन हांगा दवरलेल्यो. एक मदीं गॅप दवरून हें केल्लो की एक कडेन पार्किंग करूंक नाशिल्लें. तशें करून सोशल डिस्टन्स पाळपाक मेळपा जाय हेतून तांणी त्यो पयस गाडयो लावन दवरलेल्यो. तशें हांगा तशी चड गर्दी जावंक ना पळोवपाक गेल्यार, कित्याक आयज पयलो दीस आशिल्लो तेज्या कारणा खातीर. आनी हे मार्केट ओपन जालां तेज्या खातीर आतां सगळ्या गोंयकारांक बरें जातलें. आनी गोंयकारांक हें नुस्तें जें आसा, जें मेन आसा, जें नुस्त्या शिवाय गोंयकारांक एक उणी ताळ्या सकयल वचना. आतां हे नुस्तें सगळ्याक मेळटलें, कित्याक फाटल्या दिसांनी बंद आसलें तेज्या कारणान नुस्त्याचे रेटी वाडिल्ले. जे नुस्तें बारीक नुस्तें आसा, जे बारीक वाटे सुमार 100 रुपया आसले, तेच वाटे 200-300 रुपया जाल्ले. आनी हेजो लोकांक खूब त्रास जातालो. पयलीं लॉकडावनान धंदो नाशिल्लो, पयशे नाशिल्ले आनी नुस्तें जाय तांकां जेवणाक, पण तें नुस्तें म्हारग मेळटालें. आतां हे होलसेल फीश मार्केट सुरू जालां तेज्या कारणान लोकांक नुस्तें सवाय मेळटलें. गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तयेकर.
The entire Panaji market complex, including the fish market, has been allowed to open from 7 AM till 3 PM. Though the CCP market in charge councillor Pranay Maikar said that he is making sure that there are no crowds in the market. However, in what could possibly be a slip in between the cup and the lip, there were crowds seen inside the market complex and fish market too. Watch.
माझी एक विजिट असता दिसाक 3दा, म्हणजे आय गो इन द मॉर्निंग, एकदा मिड मॉर्निंग आनी एकदा हांव बंद करच्या टायमार वता, टू मेक शुअर की दॅट मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स जो आसा इज मिनींग भितर गर्दी जायना. त्या खातीर आमी जे म्हणजे म्हाजें पर्सनली तें मॉनिटरींग आसता 3 फावटी. तेज्या हे पळोवंक गेल्यार थंय आमचे इन्स्पेक्टरूय आसा, थंय आमचे सुपरवायझर आसा अलॉंग विथ द वर्कर्स. सो म्हाका आय थिंक आय एम 100% शुअर दॅट द नॉर्म्स आर बीन मेंटेन्ड. सॅनिटायझर काबार जाल्यार आय वील हॅव अ चॅक. मे बी इट वॉज देअर अर्लियर, म्हणजे मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ मेनी पीपल बींग क्रावडेड, म्हणजे लोक घाई करता आनी आमी तशे जे नॉर्म्स घेवन हिंगा भायर उबे लायनीन राव म्हणटा. सो मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द टोटल increasing people visiting the market, it must have got over. I will have a check.
The capital city too was crowded. Look at the visuals of the vehicles all over the place. Hiru Mahale and Irisha Chek for Goa 365 from Vasco and Panji.